Hello and welcome to the BioBuild App Prototype Demo. I am excited to introduce you to my application that aims to revolutionize the world of genome editing and comparison. BioBuild is a one-stop platform that simplifies genome editing, allowing users to explore the fascinating world of species formation. With this app, you can easily visualize and compare genomic patterns using three different visualizations. One is graph visualization, and the other two are the traditional ones. One is Circos plot visualization, and the other one is the heatmap visualization. For bioinformatics professionals, BioBuild offers a versatile and user-friendly platform to analyze and compare genomic patterns efficiently. But for the general public, BioBuild offers an engaging and educational experience, allowing users to explore the complex world of genomics without needing prior knowledge. So, without doing further delay, I am diving into the application. So, this is my application interface. If I click there, we have a login page. So, in the login button, you need to put the credentials there. So, after putting the credentials, we can just click login. So this is the main page. So the category kitty for this user we have four different functionalities: the genome generator, genome comparison, genome history, and genome information. So if I click the generator, so I have a list of genomes there. So if I pick East 99A Y type, so I can see that yes, this is the genomic formation of the chromosomes of East 999A Y type. So if you pick a chromosome, there are three chromosomes. You can see the information for that chromosome. If I pick another one, you can see the information. Okay. So there are two views also. If I click this one, you can see the Circos view of the species. Here you can see the heatmap view. Okay. So if you want to replace one patch of the chromosome with another species patch of the chromosome, you can do that. So here we need to select this option. Okay. So now if I want to replace chromosome 3's one portion of the chromosome, I need to select chromosome 3. So let me select being 1001 to 1250. Okay, so this portion is selected. If I proceed, I have a list of species with which chromosome I want to replace that selected one. So let me select this one. Okay. So if I select chromosome 1 spin 1, okay, you can now see that these selected portions are replaced with another species chromosome. So let me build this one. So after a while, it will build the final chromosome. Okay, now I need to save the name of my chromosome. So you can now see that in the genome history, I have one new chromosome. Okay, so after selecting this one, you can see the various kind of things. You can see the 2D view of the chromosome. You can see the Sarcos view of the chromosome. Even you can compare the two chromosomes, the source chromosome and my new chromosome. You can see the differences there clearly. Okay, so you can generate the data set also. So after a while, it will load and you can download the data. Okay, so if I go into the home menu, this is the home button. You can now compare various kinds of chromosomes as well. So if I click this option, we have created a chromosome which was my new chromosome. And if I want to compare with East 999AY type, I need to select this one. Okay, so there are various comparisons for the visualization perspective. So let me select the graph view comparison. So here you can see the graphical view. Okay, so if I select the circus plot comparison, you can see the comparison between the circus plot, but it is so confusing to detect any changes. And you can see the heat map comparison as well. So I have put a one option for all versus all comparison. So here for your new chromosome, you can see these type of visualizations, and for the east, you can see these kinds of visualizations. Okay, if I go into the home menu, you can see the genome history as well. From here, you can see the 2D view, Circos view, Heatmap view, and everything else. And there is one option for genome information. So if you click this one, there are various kinds of genomes. So you can pick one and you can like just see the. So going after the home again, you can use a search bar. You can write anything there and you can search for the chromosome as well. Okay, so there is one option for see the. So here is the user's profile. So from here you can see the history of what the user has created, and you can manage the profile as well. But I have not worked in these options. So if you select this option, you will see a message that is under development. So from here you can also log out. Okay, so I have put some error messages as well for the user as there is no sign up option, so it is found under development. So in the login, if you click the login button without putting any credential, so you will see a message that you need to put your credentials. So here it is. Thank you everyone.